Hey beauties, welcome back to another product review day with Creative Contour by Carla. Today I am reviewing the Esteli Flora Polish Vitamin C Face Mask. So let's get into it. But first, a quick disclaimer. So me personally, I am very sensitive to vitamin C and it often triggers an acne breakout. So I've only used this product once. So this is just my initial thoughts from this one use. Now to my thoughts. So first of all, this is a clay mask and you mix it with water. I did a ratio of 2:1 mask to water and it worked out really, really well. Next thing is that it dried really fast. So it was only on for my face for probably a few minutes at that. And then I washed it off and it felt really, really good. Thing, it did trigger a little bit of an acne response in my skin, but my skin has healed. There's just some down here and some just kind of all over. It's okay. I really like this mask. If you want to support my friends at Esteli Body, you can go to their website, www.estelibody.com. See you soon.